Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the new digital class. From last week, we are reading about chapter 1. Last week, also, we have read how computer works. In last class, in part 1, we have read about a computer system. That means how a computer works. A computer works in some process that we put some input, we give some instructions to the uh, computer, then it processes it and it gives a result. The instructions we give is called input, and the process through which it provides the answer is called processing, and the result we get, that is output. This is called input, process, and output cycle. Next, we have read about the processing devices, output devices, and the input devices. Keyboard and mouse is the input device, CPU is the processing device, and monitor is the output device. Next, we have read about the computer hardware. Computer hardware means the parts of the computer that we can touch or see from outside. That means the CPU box, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, all these are hardware. And in the CPU box, there are some things like hard disk, motherboard, and many other things are there. So those are also CPU, computer hardware. Those things we can see and touch, that is called hardware. Keyboard is a hard input device. So it helps to give instructions to the computer. It has some function keys also that helps to do various types of functions. For example, pressing F1 key, we will open help menu in most program. Next is mouse. Mouse is also an input device. Mouse has, nowadays we can see a new type of mouse that is 2 buttons and one will be scroll. Scroll wheel acts like a third button and it helps to page up and page down, to do the page up and page down. Next is the processing device, that is CPU. It consists of 3 main parts, that is CU, control unit, MU, memory unit, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This CU, ALU, and MU, it may come in the question paper like write the full forms of CU, MU, ALU. You have to write CU, control unit, MU, memory unit, and ALU, arithmetic logic unit. VDU, the full form of VDU is visual display unit. So visual display unit, the monitor is called the visual display unit. It is output device. Some output devices are monitor, printer, speakers. All these are output device. That means we get the answers through these devices. What is soft copy? Soft copy is whatever we see in the answer we see on the monitor, that is called soft copy. When we are taking it out as a printout or in a pen drive, actually it is when we print it in a paper, then it is called output device, a hard copy. Sorry, it is called a hard copy. So when we are printing any answer in a paper, that is called hard copy. Today we will start the computer software. Computer software is of 2 types. One is system software and another is application software. The computer software are of 2 types, the system software and the application software. System software is divided into some parts like system software. It is an operating system, a driver, a language translator. All these things will be in system software. And application software, it performs a special or specific tasks. like word processors such as WordPad and Word 2013, presentation software such as PowerPoint 2013, like this. We will move to the PDF. So, what is computer software? Computer software is a program. It is a sequence of step-by-step instructions given to a computer to perform a particular task. So, if we are adding two numbers, at first we are giving 5 a digit. We are pressing 5 from the keyboard and then addition sign. Then again another 4 digit. Then we are putting equal to. We will get the answer 9. So the step by step we have given the instructions. That is computer software. Next is kinds of computer software is two types we have told, that system software and the application software. System software refers to program that help to run a computer or computers, hardware and application program. It helps the computer hardware to do any work or the application program. It have the operating system and the drivers. Next is operating system. It is the master control program that runs the computer. It is a control program that runs the computer, that helps to run the computer. If we will not install all these things, the computer will not work. Windows, we can use Linux or Android. Next, a driver. A driver is a computer program that enables computer to interact with hardware device such as a printer, a pen drive. A driver helps the computer to work. That means we are getting the result. We want to print it from the printer. So this interacts each other. The driver interacts with the hardware like printer and pen drive. Language translator. A language translator, we write English language, but in home we are talking in Hindi, isn't it? Or in Bengali, those who are in our mother tongue. So sometimes teachers tell something, but you don't understand. You go to your mother, you ask, then your mother tells it in your mother tongue. Same as way, the computer have its own language, that is called binary language. Computer have its own language, that is called binary language. So whatever we are typing as a English alphabets, but the language translator present in the computer, it converts it into binary language. And binary language is made of only zeros and ones. Fill in the blanks or true false can be come from there. This portion. Computers understands only dash language. Dash language is made of zeros and ones. A language translator is a program that helps to convert an English language used for writing programs to a language that computer understands. So question may come that which language computer understands. So computer understands binary language. Next is application software. Application software refers to the program that allow you to perform some specific tasks. For example, word processor, WordPad and Word 2013. Word processor are of two types, WordPad and Word 2013. This helps to write. Presentation software, PowerPoint. Photo editing or video editing software to edit digital photographs and movies or videos. entertainment software, interactive video games. This portion can come as a matching. Like column A, there will be word processor, presentation software, photo editing, video editing, entertainment software. And the column B will be WordPad and Word 2013, PowerPoint 2013, to editing software to edit digital photographs and movies or videos. Like this it will be divided. You have to match it. Next we will move to the questions. So this is part 3 of computer chapter 1, and I have given the answers also over here. You have to only write in the copy and you have to read it. This is the data and instructions that we give to a computer is called input. All these things are discussed in the previous classes. Only I have made it. And one thing I have given some here. From this, you will read the lines properly, because true, false, choose the correct word and fill in the blanks, matching. All these things will come from these documents only. If you will read these documents, then you will get all the answers from there. Some back questions also I have done. These are mixed over here. When you will read, you will understand. And your working is, you have got the books. So chapter 14 and 15, you will write in your copy, or you can do it in the book also. Do it with the pencil. Chapter 14 and 15 is your homework. You will read all these things and you will write it in the book only. So till the next class we will start our next chapter. So before that, complete this chapter, read all the chapters and read the whole question answers I have given in the next previous class. I have given you some question answers. Read that also and read this fill in the blanks. And I am giving this as a PDF also. You can see, or you can print out, or you can do it. Read at home. Don't waste your time, because as soon as the school will open, you have to give the exams. So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice weekend and read.